Imagine Earth a long, long time ago. It was a very different place. No people lived here back then. There were no big, noisy cities. Strange plants grew all around. Dinosaurs were about to make their entrance. They were a brand new kind of animal. Truly exciting creatures, ready to explore. Dinosaurs first appeared in the Triassic period. This was about 230 million years ago. That's such a huge number of years. Earth's land was joined together then, forming one giant supercontinent. Scientists call this massive land Pangaea. The very first dinosaurs were quite small, but they had a special way of walking. The Triassic world was generally warm. It was also a fairly dry place. Dinosaurs were not the giants yet. One of the earliest was Eoraptor. It was small, maybe like a dog. It ran very fast on its two legs. It was a meat-eater, hunting little animals. Herrerasaurus was another early one, a bit bigger. These first dinosaurs were truly special. They were different from other reptiles. Their hips and legs were built differently. This helped them stand and run efficiently. Their legs were directly under their bodies. This gave them a real advantage. They could hunt prey much better. The age of dinosaurs was just beginning. After the Triassic came the Jurassic period. This great period started 200 million years ago. The giant land of Pangaea began to split. New oceans started to slowly form. The climate became much wetter then. More lush plants began to grow. This meant much more food available for the plant-eating dinosaurs to eat. This was the amazing time of giants. You probably know some of their names. Huge, long-necked sauropods appeared now. Creatures like Brachiosaurus and Diplodocus. They were absolutely enormous animals. Some were as long as several buses. They ate leaves from the very tallest trees. Imagine the ground shaking as they walked. But it wasn't just gentle plant eaters. Big meat eaters also roamed the land. Allosaurus was a fearsome top predator. It was very large, strong, and dangerous. It had incredibly sharp teeth and claws. Stegosaurus also lived in the Jurassic. It had big bony plates on its back and a spiky tail to defend itself. The Jurassic world was a dinosaur paradise. They spread out all across the Earth. Many different types of dinosaurs evolved. Some were small and incredibly fast, others were huge and moved more slowly. They adapted to all sorts of new homes. Flying reptiles called pterosaurs filled the skies, but on the land, dinosaurs truly ruled. The Cretaceous period lasted from 145 to 66 million years ago. It was the last great age of dinosaurs. Continents drifted apart, and the world began to look more like it does today. Dinosaurs thrived, reaching their greatest diversity. Triceratops, Ankylosaurus, and the mighty T-Rex all lived during this time. T-Rex was a huge predator with a powerful bite. Many dinosaurs like Velociraptor even had feathers. So what was daily life like for a dinosaur? Some dinosaurs were plant eaters, or herbivores. They munched on ferns, cycads, and leaves. Other dinosaurs were meat eaters or carnivores. They hunted other animals for their food. Some dinosaurs probably lived mostly alone. Others lived together in groups or herds. Just like many animals we see today. Dinosaurs had many amazing adaptations. Horns, plates, and spikes helped protect them. Think of Triceratops' big bony frill, or Stegosaurus's tail spikes, the thagomizer. Long necks helped sauropods reach high leaves. Sharp teeth helped the carnivores tear meat. Some dinosaurs were very speedy runners. Others were slow but heavily armored. Then, something truly terrible happened. About 66 million years ago, it all changed. The long reign of dinosaurs came to a sudden end. Most of them disappeared from Earth forever. What could have caused such a disaster? Scientists believe a huge asteroid hit Earth. It was a giant rock from outer space, about 6 miles wide, a massive impactor. The impact was absolutely devastating for Earth. It caused massive earthquakes and giant tsunamis. So much dust and dirt filled the air. This thick cloud blocked out the sunlight. Plants could not grow without sunlight. Then the plant-eating dinosaurs starved, and then the meat-eating dinosaurs starved. It was a very dark and difficult time. After the asteroid hit, the world was quiet. Most dinosaurs were gone, but life found a way. Small mammals survived and began to thrive. Eventually humans evolved from these mammals, but not all dinosaurs vanished. Birds are living dinosaurs. Fossils tell us their incredible stories. Dinosaurs capture our imaginations and teach us about evolution and change. Their story helps us understand our world.